Hello, children. This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. Now, as you can see on the screens, I have the word that is in a puzzle form, and the words are because, but, when, and, so, then. My dear children, these words which you can see in the screen are known as conjunctions. What are they called? They are called conjunctions, right? We have already studied this. Conjunctions or conjunctions are known as connector words. Why are they used? They are used to connect the words in English language. They are one of the parts of the speech माने एक पूरे sentence में जितने जितने parts हो सकते हैं. That for example we have learned noun, we have learned verb, we have learned adverb, we have learned adjectives. So these are all parts of speech. In the same way, conjunctions is also a part of speech, right? And today we are going to learn something more about conjunctions. We have already studied this last year, but let us see what do we have in this video of ours. Chali. So, first of all, you might have thought the question, why do we need to know conjunction? Or why do we need conjunctions? So, the answer, my dear children, is a conjunction allows us to combine two ideas in a single sentence. Right? For example, I completed my essay. I have not submitted it. These are two ideas. I have completed my essay. I have not submitted it, right? And these two ideas are being combined into a single sentence by using the word but. Now read the example. I completed my essay, but I have not submitted it. So, conjunction is used to combine two ideas in a single sentence, right? Now, as you can see on the screen, and, but, or, so, because, they are all known as conjunctions. Now, where is and used? आप पूछोगे and कहाँ use होता है? So, it's a simple equation that in the similar ideas, he is a plumber and she is a teacher. Suppose if I have a rubber and I have a pencil. So, I can say I have a pencil and an eraser or and a rubber, right? So when you combine two same ideas, same strategies, we use and. There is a cup and a saucer. I have a book and a pen. So for similar ideas, we use and. Now where is but use? Yes, but is used when you are using two contradictory ideas or to contrast sentences. I studied a lot, but I failed the exam. I walked very fast, but I missed the train. He is my friend, but he did not come to my birthday party. So when you are using two contrast statements or two contradictory ideas in one single sentence, we use but. Next on the list is or. Or gives two possibilities. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you like walking or jogging? Do you like chocolate or cake? So when you give two options, अगर आप two possibilities देते हैं, two options देते हैं, then that conjunctions which we use would be or. Next on the list is so. So gives the result. उसने ऐसा किया इसलिए ऐसा हुआ. For example, it was cold, so I turned on heating or heater. Right? So it gives the result of the sentence. So we use and where there is a similarity, but where there is a contrast, or for two possibilities, and so for the result. Now let us move to our textual exercise that is in the textbook. So here I am with the textbook. So let us open the textbook. Come to the page 101. What a beautiful number, 101. Chapter number 18, superlative degrees of comparison, that we have already done. Chapter number 18, degrees of comparison, is already been done. Chali, let us move for chapter number 19, that is conjunctions. Before starting the chapter, let us write today's date, that is 29/12/20. Today is 29th of December 2020. Chaliye. Now this four, can you see these kids playing or discussing? The first girl says, I like English, it is easy. I like English, I like maths. Do you like English? Do you like maths? I like English, I don't like maths. Now, all of them are speaking some of the sentences. This can be spoken in a different way. Suppose if the girl over here is saying, I like English, it is easy. So better way to speak the sentence is, I like English because it is easy. मुझे English क्यों पसंद है? Because it is easy. I like English, I like maths. It can be said, I like English and maths both. Or you can just say, I like English. Right. Now the boy over here says, do you like English? He asks rather, do you like English or do you like maths? Now, in a better way, it can be spoken as, do you like English or maths? The girl says, I like English, I don't like maths. The girl can reply like this, I like English, but I don't like maths. So here, this blue words, children, because, and, or, but, these are known as connectors or conjunctions. What are they called? They are connectors or conjunctions. Alright. Now turn the page. Underline this red box. Conjunctions are the words that are used to join words, group of words or sentence together. Phrase, group of words join करने के लिए the words which we use are known as conjunctions. Right? Now you can see and is used to join two similar things or thoughts. It shows addition. As I told you, as I explained you earlier, and is used to join the sentences of the same ideas. I have a pencil and an eraser. I have a cup and a saucer. I have a brother and a sister. But is used, let me zoom it for you so that it would be easier to you. But is used to join two opposite things or thoughts. It shows contrast, right? It shows addition over here and it shows contrast. Contrast are opposite things. Contradictory things are known as contrast. So let's say, for example, he worked hard but he failed. So there we use but. Or is used to talk about choices. As I told you, if either of the choices are given, then that time we use or. And because is used to say the reason why the things happen. जिसमें मैं जैसे as था वैसे because आएगा. Right? चलिए. Now come to the first exercise. Join these pairs of sentences using and, or, but, and, or because. And, or, but, or, because. Chaliye. First one, I dropped the bowl. It did not break. I dropped the bowl. It did not break. There are two contrast statements. So what we will use for contrast? We will use but. So we will write the sentence as I dropped the bowl but it did not break. I dropped the bowl but it did not break. So which conjunction did we use? But, right? Because these are two contrast statements. Next. Paul did not watch the movie. It was too scary. Paul did not watch the movie. क्यों movie नहीं देखी? It was too scary. Because it was too scary. So what will we use? The answer would be Paul did not watch the movie as or because it was too scary. Paul did not watch movie or the movie. Here I forgot to write the. So I'll mention over here. Paul did not watch the movie because it was too scary. Next, is that a cheetah? Is that a leopard? We are going to give choices. Is that a cheetah or a leopard? So the answer would be, is that a cheetah or a leopard? Question mark. Right? The question is that a cheetah or a leopard? Which connector or which conjunction did I use? I used or. Next, we could not see anything. It was dark. हम क्यों नहीं देख पाए? Because it was dark. So the answer would be, we could not see anything because it was dark. I was not able to see anything because it was dark. We could not see anything because it was dark. Which conjunction did we use? Because, right? Because this is giving reason. क्यों नहीं देख पाए? क्योंकि वो डार्क था इसलिए, अंधेरा था इसलिए. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. I looked for the key. I could not find it. Two contradictory statement, opposite statements are there. मैंने चाबी के लिए देखा, मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. So I looked for the key, but I could not find it. So here we will write the answer. I looked for the key, but I could not find it. Now next, I looked for the key. I could not find it. I looked for the key, but I could not find it. What do we use? We use but. Next, we bought gifts for Ria. We wrapped them. Wrapped माने उसको cover करना. We bought gifts for Ria and wrapped them. हमने क्या किया? उसको wrap किया. So we use and over here. Now, understood this statement? Chaliye, let us have a quick recap. I dropped the bowl, but it did not break. Paul did not watch the movie because it was too scary. Is that a cheetah or a leopard? We could not see anything because it was dark. I looked for the key, but I could not find it. We bought gifts for Ria and wrapped them. Right? So here but, because, or, because, but, and are the connectors or conjunctions. Now read the sentences. Jack has hurt his leg, so he cannot play. Jack cannot play for he has hurt his leg. Jack has hurt his leg, yet he played. Here the words so, for and yet are also conjunctions. So is used to show the result of something. इसकी वजह से ये हुआ. For is used to show the reason for something. It is similar to because. Because की जगह पे for use करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Yet is used to show something that is unexpected. He fell down, yet he did not hurt himself. Right? कुछ ऐसा जो unexpected हो, उसके लिए हम yet use करेंगे. चलिए, move to the second exercise. Join the pair using so, for or yet. One has been done for you. I watered the plant, yet they died. पानी डाला, फिर भी, yet they died. Dad was angry, dash, we were late. Reason. Dad was angry for we were late. चल. Now the first one is already been done. Let us do the second one. Dad was angry, we were late, right? Why was he angry? For we were late, yeah, because we were late. So we will write Dad was angry for we were late. Because we were late, so he was angry. Dad was angry for we were late. For is the conjunction that we are using over there, right? Chaliye, move to the next one. The door was locked. I could not go in. Right? Door locked था इसलिए मैं नहीं जा पाया. Door was locked, so I could not go in. As you can see in the screen, the door was locked, so I could not go in. So is the thing which is used. Right? Now next, you promised to work hard. You are being lazy. बावजूद उसके कि तुमने प्रॉमिस किया था, फिर भी आप लेजी हो रहे हो. यू प्रॉमिस टू वर्क हार्ड, येट यू आर बीइंग लेजी. फिर भी, राइट? सो द कंजंक्शन विच वी यूज वुड बी येट. Clear? You have to underline yet, so and for in all these sentences. Last one. Mary failed the test. She made silly mistakes. वो क्यों फेल हो गई? Because she made silly mistake. As she made silly mistakes, right? It is the result. She failed the test as she made silly mistakes. So you have to write Mary failed the test as she made silly mistakes. So the conjunction used over there is as. So let us have a quick replay for the answers. Dad was angry for we were late. The door was locked, so I could not go in. You promised to work hard, yet you are being lazy. Mary failed the test as she made silly mistakes. Right? This was exercise number 2. Now, turn the page and come to today's homework part. Turn the page, children. Now, on the next page, that is the last page of that exercise, which says underline the conjunctions in each of the sentences. So you have to tick it and mark it as HW. Exercise number 3 and exercise number 4. What is in exercise number 4? Imagine you have a pet dog, Bruno. Combine these sentences given to write 6 sentences about your pet using and, but, or, so, yet and because. Sentences आपको दिए गए हैं. The dog was tired. The dog was hungry. Right? Now you have to use different conjunctions and you have to write the sentences in this given space. Clear? So exercise number 3 and 4 would be your homework. Clear? Hope you understood what is conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words or connectors, right? They are used to combine sentences and combines the similar sentences, but is used for contradictory or contrast sentences, because gives reasoning, and or gives choices, right? Don't worry, I'll be sending the answer key with this video. Chaliye, till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care. Bye bye. Bye kids.